And look at all this snow. Holy. And there's my ride. Let's go camping. What's up, y'all? Today is gonna be a fun day. And hopefully, if it goes as planned, it's gonna be one of my best videos on the ice. Just gotta cross our fingers because it's been pretty warm lately. But it's finally got cold the last few days, and woke up to about 8 inches of snow. Crazy. So it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna be staying in a cabin, which I'm super pumped about. And it's my birthday, so it's gonna be the perfect way to end the ice season, hopefully. So stay tuned, and we're gonna start driving to the cabin, and then we're gonna time lapse that, so that should be kind of cool. And then we'll be in the cabin in no time. So see you on the road in 3, 2, 1. Pulling into the cabin, boys. This is awesome. There's the lake. Here's cabin 1. Wow. Here's the cabin that we're staying in, right here. Right where I'm fishing. White Pine Cabin. Well, guys, this is the cabin. It is absolutely awesome. Just gonna give you guys a quick tour. So here's the kitchen, obviously. A little living room. Got the TV there. Here's the first bedroom. Here's a cool pheasant picture. I'll eat, hopefully, fish there tonight and my birthday cake. Here's the bathroom. It's pretty nice. There's a bluegill there. No, that's a bass. There is, I don't know what that is. Some type of towel holder thing. A mirror. And there's the pheasant picture. This is the second bedroom. Okay, guys, this is what it comes down to here. Is the ice safe or not? Please be safe. And we'll see you out there on the ice. First fish of the trip, boys. Woohoo! And it's a keeper. It's a keeper all day. Look at this thing. It's 8 inches all day. That is a tank, and that just came up and smashed the tungsten. Oh, I'm stoked right now. Let's get on some more right now. And the Vexy's loaded with fish. Trying to get you guys a good view. It's hard with the screen. But let's get on some more fish. Holy cow, we're eating good tonight, hopefully. Stay tuned. Check out the fish of the day here, boys. It's a little bass. You can go ahead and zoom in on it. Just a little guy, but still a fish. And the bite's picking up, so stay tuned. We're going to go catch another one in about 30 seconds. How it's done right there. That is how it's done. Yeah, we got a few. Oh, that's a big fish. That's a big fish. Coming up to me. Coming up to me. Got him. Got him. Got him. Oh, yeah. Got a fish coming in here. Oh, there you go. Come on. Here he comes. Here he comes. Got him. Got him. Oh, yeah. That is a decent little bluegill. Fifth fish of the day. Alright, we're just gonna throw these in here. I would recommend using a bag like this, because you really gotta get the batter in each crevice of the fillet there, instead of trying to work it in with your hand, which is a pain. We didn't think of this stuff. Looking around and noticing that this is what would work best. So something like that. You see the fish there? Real worked in there. The butter's almost ready. Once that starts going, then we can throw that in there. But this is like $8 at Bass Pro. I would recommend also getting batter because it's just easier than trying to use flour. And it tastes better, it gets on the fillets better and fries up better. So we usually make our own, well not make our own, but just use flour, and it works, but not the best. Yeah, you can probably hear that starting to boil, so I'm just gonna start tossing these bad boys in there. And listen to the sizzle, boys, listen to the sizzle. I got these tongs so I can flip them easy without getting burnt. It's not a great sound.
It does smell good, the batter. I like it.
Turn it up a little, please. Get that frying up real nice. Start. gonna throw one or two more of these. I gotta find the smaller one. Just like that, boys. Okay. So now, just let her fry for a minute. We haven't had a good batch of fish since we took a trip to Kansas. I mean, what was it, 2 or 3 years ago?
I think 2.
2 years ago. And that was good stuff. We had white bass, stripers. I don't know if it's ready yet.
I know, I just thought it'd be better than chancing burning. That way it'll cook even. What happened to our light? There we go.
Nice. Looking good.
These are the worst tongs though, but we're doing what we do.
Doing what we got. Doing with what we got here. Oh yeah. Sizzle, sizzle.
I think, even though the batter is good, you might want just a dash or 2 of these things.
Yep, Mom with her seasons here. Seasonings.
Okay, little pepper. This onion powder. We don't need a ton of that.
And then just a dash of
This
this.
is just a dash of chacharis. Chacharis usually makes everything better.
Speaking from an experienced cook here.
That would be me. But it's getting a little hot. We don't want to burn it. Taking it off for a second, and I'm going to add a little bit of garlic.
Just. Oh, I wish y'all could smell this fish cooking up in here.
It does smell really good.
Think they're ready?
Probably. Yeah, we don't want to overdo it.
They're just a little longer, maybe?
I think I'm just going to... That's getting... Just do that one. Just can't get a hold of it. Gee. Alright, I think I'm going to move it here for only a minute and then they need to come off.
So, once we get all this fished up,
Bruh.
I'll show you when it's all done. Ooh, look at that side of fish. That is an art piece right now. That's with Uncle Buck's fish batter. Beer batter. Look at that plate right there. And we're only halfway through. We got some crappie and some gills ready to be shoveled down. Alright folks, this is the final product. I already ate a little bit. And it is absolutely amazing.
It's good.
Again, right there, that's what you want. We got some left over in the bag over there that Mom's gonna make me before I head out in the morning to go get some more. But yeah, that's what you look for in fish right there. You want it flaky like that? Mine. What's up, y'all? I just woke up. It's about 6:30 right now. The sun's just starting to come up. I'm gonna eat some breakfast and get out on the ice as soon as possible so I can use my time to the best, because I only have till 11 this morning to fish. So let's get after it and go catch some fish. Alright, so when I got out there on the ice, it was about 0 degrees Fahrenheit. So my hole froze up pretty good overnight. I just repunched it real quick and dropped the Vexy down, and then you'll see what happens next. Go ahead and drop her on down here. Maybe. There we go. See if we can't get on a fish or something like that. They seem to be moving this morning, so that's good. Here they come. And that is how you do it. Keep her gill right there. Well, that's the first fish of the day. Hopefully we can get on another one here pretty quick. Got him. Got him. And that's a little dank. Still a fish though. Let's get a quick release on him here. Yes sir, second fish of the day. We kept the one, so let's see if we can't get this one back down there and catch 2 real quick. There's some pheasant up there, see him? Well guys, that is a wrap on the 2022-23 ice season. Alright, great year on the ice. Caught tons of fish this year. Experienced a lot of new things that I haven't before on the ice, and learned a bunch. It was a fun year with you guys out here, and this trip was, absolute perfect way to end the ice season. We got on some fish. These were this morning's keepers. 8-inch gill right here. This is about a 7.5-inch gill, I guess. We threw one back, kept 2, and it's been an awesome time out here. Yesterday was my birthday. We had this snowstorm that I woke up to on my birthday, stayed in the cabin up there, and got on some fish. It was a blast, and until next year, I guess we'll be back out here next year. Try to get up here, stay in the cabin at least 2 times, now that we got a feel for it. And yeah, this was an awesome time. So we're gonna go home, fry up these and the fish that we didn't eat last night, and continue on. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and drop a like, and stay tuned for any other hunting or fishing videos coming up in the future. I know we'll probably do some competition coon hunting. We're going to Oklahoma here in a couple months, and then we'll do some different, like little, smaller game hunting, and then it'll be time to go rip some lips on some catfish. So stay tuned, definitely. Hit the bell if you subscribed, so you can get notified when we post our next video. And yeah, it's been an awesome time out here. See ya.
Oh yeah.